Welcome to another PNL recap. Today is Friday, September 1st. So as I am ending an amazing week of trading, at the same time, we are starting a brand new month of September. And I must say that if September is anything like August was, and I keep trading the same way, and I keep growing the same way, then I am so hyped and stoked to see what the results will be like at the end of the month of September. Now, if you want to follow along my journey with my funded accounts, then hit that subscribe and hit that bell, because I know a lot of you guys who are watching my videos are actually not subscribed to my channel. And once you subscribe, make sure you hit that like. And then if you have any questions, don't be shy to leave a comment down below. Now, it is Labor Day weekend, so enjoy the long weekend, everyone. You know, get away from the screens if you have to. Do not trade on Monday. It's not worth it. Monday and Tuesday count as the same trading day. And Monday, the stock market is closed. It's closed, therefore the volatility in futures is very low, and it's not worth it, because if you do lose, you're gonna hate yourself, and if you win, the emotions are just this big, and then if you lose, the emotions are way bigger. So it's just not worth it. Take a day off and get back to it on Tuesday. But since we do have Labor Day, we expected a sale, and Apex delivered. So Apex brought back the 80% off sale, which is their most common sale. The 90% off, we can't always expect it. It can't just keep happening all the time. It's supposed to be a couple times a year, you know, Christmas or 4th of July, or maybe even Black Friday. Those are the big days of sales, and that's when the 90% off sale we should expect. But just for now, Labor Day weekend, I think 80% off is plenty. So if you need any other accounts, don't be shy. Use the link down below and use my code. And if you have used my code in the past, or you plan on using my code in this future, then I just want to say huge thank you for the support of this channel. This is why I'm making these videos. This is why I'm going to show you guys my journey, the good and the bad of it. And yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying. And also don't forget that with the Quant Tower, you could copy trade for free. So if you want to trade multiple accounts with Apex, you could copy trade completely for free by using Quant Tower. With NinjaTrader, you have to buy Replicanto or a Apex trade copier, which is a third-party plugin for NinjaTrader to copy trade between different Apex accounts. With Quant Tower, this is free, and it's included for free. So Quant Tower itself is free, but so is the copy trader, if that makes sense. So don't be shy. If you want to trade between different firms, let's say you want to trade TopStep and Apex, and you want to copy trade between the two firms, then you would have to pay a subscription of $25 for Quant Tower. But other than that, it's actually completely free, and that's where people are kind of confused. And I highly recommend it. I haven't had any issues with Quant Tower in quite some time. Let's go over today's PNL. Today was a tricky day, but it was a green day, so I'll spoil that. But right away, had some issues. I just said I haven't had issues with Quant Tower in quite some time, but today I actually did have an issue, and I have no idea what happened. The only thing is I added more accounts to the copy trader. So typically, if I was trading, since I started journaling this, I was trading between 2 to maybe 5 accounts, right? So 5 accounts is the most I had, and the copy trader had no issues at all. It worked out perfectly every single time. But today I added a 6th account, so I had a evaluation trading with the PA accounts. And since I added the 6th account, I don't know if that was just too much for Quant Tower to handle or whatever, but I just did not get executed into accounts. One of the accounts was the 150K account. So actually it's whatever. I don't really care. That's the account I would want to miss profits in if I had to choose which account I wouldn't trade, because I have a $7,726 cushion in this account. And then I had a small day on the remaining accounts. So I made 270, 295, 270, and 270 on the other 4 accounts for a total of $1,100 on the day. The reason for a smaller day is because I scaled down in size, like I said I would in yesterday's video. And also I left a runner that actually ended up losing a little bit of profit, because there was a little bit of a issue with Quant Tower. I didn't know how it was going to work. So I moved my stop to break even by using a break even feature on Quant Tower, and then the leader account went break even, but the follower accounts did not. So I had to manually close them, and I lost some profit on that. So not sure what happened there, but I guess I will not be using that feature. And in the meantime, I'll just have a target set and call it a day. So that's the day. finishing up the week at $7,272 on the net profit for my futures funded accounts. And I have, I think, a 9.7K week with stocks included. So stocks were a great addition to the week. And I almost had my first 10K week of trading for the first time in my trading career. Now, if I include commissions, or exclude commissions, whatever you want to look at it, the gross value was over 10,000. So I could actually say I've made $10,000 worth of PNL this week in trading combined stocks and futures. But after commissions, obviously, I am just shy of that, and that's okay because I hit that milestone without including commissions, and then now the milestone will be to hit it with commissions, so net profit. And then the next milestone after that will be to hit it with 10K with just futures. All right, that will be an amazing week, 10K. And I think it's very doable, especially if I get to 6 accounts. But we'll see how that goes. I did pass another evaluation today. I did fail another evaluation. So it was kind of a tricky day with that. But it just shows me that I just got to stick to the opening trade and my opening range and then just be done for the day. Because when I trade after that, it's just random results and then I'm not getting anywhere. So I think I'm just gonna stick to that for now. I am trying to get funded with Apex, with Bullnox and TopStep as well. So hopefully I'll add a couple funded accounts with them, and I will be requesting a payout. So the payout window is open with Apex today through Tuesday, the 5th of September, and I'll be making a video on that soon as I am requesting payout for 8.75K between the 4 accounts. So I have 4 accounts that qualify for a payout. 3 of them already qualify, and the 4th one will qualify on Tuesday. This one will obviously not qualify. It's only $1,200 worth of profit, now $1,300 or $1,400. But 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts will be getting a full payout from them. Since this is a 150K account, that qualifies for 2.75K, so $2,750. And the 50Ks are just $2,000 each. So definitely a great month in August. Decent start to the month of September. Great week overall. So super happy about that. I had a great day with stocks as well. I've made my biggest day in quite some time on stocks. I've made $1,300 on stocks today. So still made $2,400 worth of profit today, which is an amazing result. I used to aim for that for a whole month or even just a week. I would be so pumped if I made $2,400 in a week in the past. So definitely happy about that. And just so you guys know, I'm not lying here. These are the values of the accounts. So that's just refreshed. Someone said I was lying, so I'm trying to click on this so you guys know I'm not making these things up. This is the real trader dashboard, and these are 5 of my funded accounts, and that's the progress on them. All right, guys, so I'll make another video talking about the overall month. I want to give you guys my experiences and how things are progressing, and also talk about the payout as well, in case you're wondering how that works if you haven't watched my previous videos. But again, that's gonna be it on this video. Again, just a small $1,100 rate. And last thing, this spreadsheet, people keep asking about it. I might make a professional version of this so it actually has the formulas in it. For now, it's very simple. So let me just show you if you want to make your own. I have the date. Then each date has multiple rows, and those rows just signify how many accounts I have. So like this day I only had 2 accounts. Then I moved on to 5 accounts. Now there's 5 rows. Then the second column is the starting balance per account. So how much money is in that account above obviously the initial starting balance. So day number 1 was 0, and then I made 890 and 483. So now this is the starting balance next day. Then this is the daily P&L per account. And then these 3 columns are the cumulative profit. So the daily gain loss, this is the combination of all the accounts together. Then the starting balance for all the accounts together, and then the ending balance for all the accounts together. So right now my ending balance for all my accounts combined is at $19,395. Almost hit that $20,000 mark, but not just yet. Hopefully we could keep growing this. Maybe once I get to like 30K, I'm gonna rename this series to like a road to 100K or something like that, because that would be pretty cool. And hopefully we can get there eventually. But yes, $19,395 total on the funded accounts, and that is all the withdrawable profit that I have in these accounts. I can't withdraw it all right now, but eventually that will be withdrawable as long as I do not lose these accounts, and I gotta keep growing these accounts, and it's going to be a great month of September if I could get these accounts again to the second payout. So the second payout is much easier than the first one as long as you keep the accounts. Obviously, I'm going to have a little bit of cushion. I'm not going to have a lot of cushion in these accounts. So I have to be careful. I have to scale down a little bit and then grow a cushion and then scale back up. But we'll see how that goes. And yeah, enjoy the Labor Day weekend, guys. Again, don't trade on Monday. It's not worth it. It's not going to feel good if you lose. And if you win, it's going to feel okay, but it's not going to be nowhere near as good as the losing day would feel bad, right? So it's always way worse to lose than it is to win. The good part of winning, whatever. Every time I say that, I confuse myself. But anyway, guys, thank you again for all the support. Links down below for the Discord, for the affiliate code with Apex, and the coupon code as well. All right, guys, appreciate you, and I'll catch you on the next one.